Hey everybody, I'm Mike with El Yucateco, and today we're going to be making a smoked pulled pork, and we're going to pair it with a beautiful, delicious sauce creation using the El Yucateco Caribbean. And we're going to do it right now. Now to prep this pork for the cook, you're simply going to want to flip it over, trim that fat side down to almost no fat or little fat. This is just going to give you more surface area for our seasoning or rub to stick to. Next, we're going to season this up with salt, pepper, garlic, and paprika for some color. Alright, this thing's ready to get out on the smoker. I've already got the smoker preheated. We're going to be cooking this today at about 275 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll see you outside. It's been a few hours. We've finally hit that bark that we're looking for on the outside. Now it's time to get this off the cooker, wrap it in a double layer of tin foil, and get it back on the cooker until we reach that done temperature of 200 to 205 degrees. Now that this is back on the cooker, we're gonna head inside and we're gonna make that sauce I was telling you about. Now don't worry, I'll have all the exact amounts of these ingredients down in the description. So we're gonna start with some distilled white vinegar, some apple juice, brown sugar, ketchup. We have some kosher salt, some black pepper, red pepper, garlic powder, and the most important thing, the El Yucateco Caribbean. We're going to go with about 1 ounce of this. Maybe a little more. The next thing is just to get this on the stove, simmer it for about maybe 15 minutes, just enough time for everything to dissolve and incorporate together. Then just rest it until we're ready to use it. Alright, this is ready to go. This smells so delicious, I can't even describe it. We've got a beautiful bark, you can see the smoke ring. This is absolutely perfect. It's time to do what I love to do with this pulled pork. We're going to build a pulled pork sandwich. So we're starting with a beautiful brioche bun here. Now we're going to add some of this sauce that we made. Now this is tangy and it's thin, it's just so delicious. And I won't lie, I've already done a little sampling. That El Yucateco Caribbean. Perfect. Gonna put a little bit of fresh chopped cilantro on top, maybe more than a little. Now let's squeeze some fresh lime juice on top and crown it. All right. I've been cooking all day and I'm hungry. Absolutely delicious. Don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you on the next video.